Hello everyone. Today we have this question, and through solving this question I'm going to explain some concepts of the trigonometric functions. As you can see here that we have a shape that consists of a triangle, a rectangle, and another triangle, and please note that the two triangles are right angled triangle. So we need to find the angle x and the angle y. Here we have two ways to find the angle inside a triangle. One of them is use the rule that the sum of the angles of a triangle would add up to 180 degrees. And of course, this is a rule that we cannot use because you have two unknown angles x and y. So we use here trigonometric basic functions in order to solve this question. Here, as you can see, the angle x, in order to find it, you have the hypotenuse, which is known to you to be 12 centimeters, and we don't know the side of the triangle CD. So, in order to find the side of the triangle, we have to use these two shapes, the rectangle and the triangle. As you can see here, you have an angle which is known to you to be 62 degrees, and the adjacent to this angle is 5 centimeter. So if you find AB, which is the opposite side for the angle 62, it's going to be equal to CD because this is a rectangular shape. So now, after we find AB using the tan rule, we will find CD and then use it along with the hypo in order to find the angle x, and after that the angle y. So let's start by finding AB. So here we start by using the tan rule. So the tan of the angle 62 equals the opposite side AB divided by 5 centimeter, which is the adjacent side. So AB will be equal to 5 times tan of the angle 62 degrees. So using your calculator, you will end up with 9.4 centimeters to be the size or the length of AB. And this is equal to CD because this is a rectangle shape. So here we will have 9.4 centimeters and here 9.4 centimeters. Now we can use the sine rule in order to find the angle x. So we write sine of the angle x equals to the opposite, which is 9.4 divided by 12, the hypotenuse. The answer would be 0.783. So now we use the inverse function in our calculator. So sine inverse of 0.783 would be equal to x. So using your calculator, you will have x to be of size 52 degrees. Now that we know the angle x and we know that this is a right angle triangle, so this is which should be 90, you can find the angle y, which equals to 180, using the rule that the sum of the angles of a triangle add up to 180. So y would be 180 minus 90 minus 52, which equals 38 degrees.